This is Lake of Base here on the SS Bigwin. Up on the deck here, heading into Dorset. A lot of boat traffic out here. There's a kick-ass wake boat. Tubing. Jet skis. This boat's 60 feet long, 11 feet wide, and built in 1910. Just pan around in a second here. That is a kick-ass fishing boat. Oh, our bell is ringing again. This is Labor Day weekend. Beautiful day. It's getting up to like 30 Celsius. Very little wind. The Narrows that we just came through. There's steam stack no longer in use because this boat is run with an electrical motor. Poke downstairs here. Yeah. Wheelhouse. Day for jet ski. Yeah. On that note,